Actually, I need your help.
Regarding what?
As you know, na Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat activity is going on at our school. So my social science teacher has given me a project. She has asked me to make a report on some problems in Sikkim, like unemployment, literacy rate, etc.
So, what's the problem? Just make it and submit it to ma'am. What a big deal.
It is a big deal for me.
How?
Ajay, because I know nothing about Sikkim. How will I make that report alone? Can you just help me out in this?
Okay, let me help you. Have a look. Okay, but before this, let me take your general knowledge first. You know what is the capital of Sikkim?
Of course I know this. It's Gangtok.
Right, it's Gangtok, and it is the largest city in Sikkim. Now, see this chart and let me know what you have understood from this. Take your time.
Okay, I can see that this is the unemployment rate in Sikkim, and here I can see that it has dropped down to 2.3% in April 2020.
Right, you are right. In April 2020, the unemployment rate in Sikkim has reduced to 2.3%. And you know what are the measures behind it?
No.
Okay, let us discuss. But before that, you know what is unemployment?
Yes, I know.
Tell me.
Unemployment is a state or condition which occurs when a person who is able to do work but who is not able to find any job.
Yes, you are right. Now, these are the measures that can be used to reduce unemployment. So, number one, expansion of employment exchange. Now, assume that you are a president of Sikkim. So, what measures you should take to reduce unemployment there?
I will create jobs for people
How?
by providing information regarding employment opportunities to everyone.
Okay, right. Number two, policy regarding the seasonal unemployment. Now, let me know what is seasonal unemployment.
I have learned it in my class as well. Seasonal unemployment is a type of unemployment which occurs in agriculture sectors and in agro-based industries.
Or in rural sector. So, what measures you should take to reduce unemployment there?
I will definitely introduce multiple cropping in it.
Multiple cropping. Good idea. Just tell me what is multiple cropping?
Multiple cropping is a type of cropping in which multiple crops, or we can say different type of crops, are grown in a single field.
Right. What other measures you should take?
I have no idea about that.
Okay, let me tell you. You can introduce cottage industries there, plantation, horticulture, animal husbandry, and even many more, like dairy, etc. Okay. Now, have a look. This is the picture of cottage industry. This is horticulture, and this is multiple cropping. Now, third is giving more assistance to self-employed people. Now, just tell me, who are self-employed people?
I have no idea about that.
Okay, let me tell you. Self-employed people are those people who have their self-owned businesses, whether it's of agriculture, trade, commerce, or any small-scale industry. And these persons should be helped financially, economically, by providing raw material and technical skills, so that they can cope up with their situations and ultimately reduce
unemployment.
Right, unemployment. Now, have a look. This is the chart of unemployment percentage of various sectors in 1998, and you can see even then also the percentage of self-employed people is 19%. Fourth, increase in production. Now let me tell you, by increasing production, how can you reduce unemployment? Okay. As production increase, workload increase, so number of laborers and workers
will also increase.
Right. So ultimately it will provide jobs who are unemployed and reduce unemployment. Okay. Fifth, more important, so employment program. You know, this year the 5-year plan has given more importance to the employment, as they provide opportunities to farmers and facilities like irrigation, roads, faculties, flood control, power supply, rural electrification, so that they can improve their conditions for and provide them better employment. Last but not the least, industries in cooperative sector. Before this, let's tell me what is cooperative sector.
I know this. Cooperative sector industries are a type of industries which are owned or managed by a group of people.
Right. Just give me one example.
Tisco, or we can say Amul.
Right. Let me give you one more very good example of cooperative sector. As in Kerala, the government has set up a textile mill which has covered 600 unemployed people on a cooperative basis, and it's a novel approach to fight against unemployment.
Wow.
Now, after unemployment, literacy rates. Just tell me, what do you mean by literacy?
Literacy is the ability to read and write.
Right, and what is literacy rate now?
I don't know.
Okay. Literacy rate, you can say it's a percentage of educated person over a particular age group. And in the year 2015, the government of Sikkim has launched a total literacy mission. And you know what is the aim behind it? It aimed to achieve 100% literacy by the year 2015, and it's a very successful mission. As by the end of 2015, the literacy rate in Sikkim was approximately 90%, as per the HRD Minister R.B. Subba. Okay. Now have a look. In the year 2020, you can see the literacy rate in Sikkim 85.02%. Now, poverty in Sikkim. Sikkim has recorded steepest fall in poverty level, as the number of people living in below poverty line in Sikkim has reduced from 1.7 lakh to 51,000 in the year 2012. And according to Planning Commission, the Sikkim has ranked among the 5 best performing states in poverty reduction. You can see reason behind it, as poverty has reduced from 1.7 lakh to 51,000.
Yes.
Okay. So according to Planning Commission, the Sikkim has ranked among the 5 best performing states in poverty reduction in the country. And it has the lowest 3.6% urban population given below the poverty line. As you can see in the map, you can see the red highlighted portion represent the area with the high poverty, and the yellow portion represent the area with moderate poverty, and green, this area represent the low poverty area. Okay. So this is all about the unemployment, literacy and the poverty rate in Sikkim. I think this much information is enough for you to make a report and submit it to ma'am.
Yes, it was actually perfect, and thank you so much.
Thank you.